The Around Square Black Ultem collection is now live on Kickstarter, links below. So back in 2017, I came across a really interesting thing on the internet. I wasn't quite sure exactly what it was, but it was these 2 titanium beads on a string from a company called Around Square. So it turns out these were called Begleri, so a simple toy that has Greek origins, and I reached out to the owner, Matt, and asked if he was open to sending me a set to review on my channel because they were connected with Paracord. So he so generously did, and little did I know that this act would completely change the trajectory of my Paracord channel, as these aren't just toys. So how did it do that, and how are they so? I will get into that. But first, let me tell you more about Around Square. So this small Canadian toy company, and I use the term toy loosely as it's so much more than that, in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and he is honestly one of the pioneers to bring Begleri amongst other skill toys to the modern day market. And it all started with these, the Titan Begleri. So these are just 2 simple dome-shaped titanium beads on some 275 paracord. And you can play with these many ways, from very basic moves to some sort of super advanced tricks. There's no wrong way to do it. And they're just a fun little pocket toy to have with you wherever you go. But they opened me up to a whole world of skill toys that went beyond Begleri, as things have come a long way. And as you can see in the Black Ultem collection that is now available on Kickstarter. Oh, and just for full disclosure, Matt has sent me these samples to review and showcase for you guys, but this video is not sponsored in any way, nor are there any affiliate links. Because soon after, there were not only multiple styles of Begleri, but Matt also made the Knuckle Bone, which is a little dumbbell-shaped toy, as you can see here, that you roll between your fingers and knuckles. Now, while you can still play with this one from basic to sort of advanced tricks, the Knuckle Bone is a bit more subtle and discreet because, there's no noise and no clacking. Well, unless you drop it. But you're not swinging around a set of beads, which might be a little too flashy for some people. And this you can kind of just, twiddle and play with without drawing very much attention. And you can also slow play or amp this one up depending on your mood. And now, one of the more recent additions to the Around Square lineup has been the Deadeye Doubloon. So their latest iteration of the Worry Coin, which is an absolute pleasure to manipulate and just hold in the hand. The Deadeye is the least toy-like, as it's mainly a pocket totem that harkens back to the age-old process of handling a dedicated coin or stone to carry around with you as a form of tactile stimulation to calm and soothe the mind when things get a little too overstimulating. And I think that's something that we all kind of have a big problem with these days, even me myself. So now the question, how did these toys change the trajectory of my YouTube channel? Well, in case you haven't figured it out, or if you're new here, I've made Paracord versions of all of these toys, mainly the Monkey's Fist Begleri and Knuckle Roller, as well as the Paracoin. And these videos have done very well on the channel and really opened up my eyes to creating things with Paracord that aren't just bracelets. And these para versions are the same concepts and similar design, but a DIY take on creating these for yourself. And Matt, being the super cool guy that he is, has been 100% supportive of these Paracord iterations. And this does bring me to my next point, in that Around Square is a small, privately owned and run business. So it is by no means a multinational toy conglomerate like Hasbro, which means that the toys that they sell are produced on a much smaller scale and not something like in the tens of thousands. So this does mean that the cost of Around Square goods has never been on the inexpensive side. And with the ways mass production normally works, the more units you produce, the less they cost usually. So some people have found that there is a bit of a price barrier to entry for stuff like this, but fear not, because as I mentioned earlier, the Kickstarter for this Black Ultem collection is live now, and all of the items are heavily discounted at roughly almost 40% off the regular retail price. And this particular collection is coming in the Black Ultem, which is a high-performance thermoplastic that has superior strength and thermal resistance, which makes for some super durable pocket toys that will hold up to a lot of use. And these do have the beautiful polished finish. While Ultem in its natural state comes in this deep amber color, this time it's coming in timeless black, which goes with everything. So this black Ultem feels just like the OG natural stuff, and unlike anything metal, it's warm to the touch and light but strong, and overall it's just really pleasant to handle. And most importantly, it's got crisp clack that you can hear with the Begleri, Chetki, and the Ultras. The bead design that's featured on the Begleri as well are the mangas, named after the very group of people that helped make Begleri cool back in the day, which I've also got a video about. So we've talked about what these are, but how exactly are these not just toys? So one of the biggest things I love about Around Square is that there exists a philosophy behind all of this stuff. A sort of singular thread that weaves its way through all of these products that isn't just Paracord. I interpret them as things that pull you from the digital age we live in back into the sort of analog world that we came from. If you're a fan of this channel, you fully understand the benefits of working with your hands and just doing things with your hands. I think it's become very apparent, that we were never made to just stare at screens all day or lose ourselves into these small black rectangles that we hold in our hands. One thing I know for sure is we were meant to look out into the horizon or, up into the skies and just be. And toys and objects like these are great examples of how something super simple can bring you some enjoyment, or a set of beads that you can count and do, breath work with. The long-form Ultras, Mala beads, and Chetki beads are also great options for that. And you can play with them louder or, be discreet, or just count the beads and be. I consider myself a pretty calm guy, but, I too get antsy sometimes, especially when I'm out and about, and having stuff like this in my pocket definitely helps. I don't know, sometimes I find myself doing this weird twitch with my index finger. Fiddling with some skill toys helps me kind of relieve that. The Ultras here are the modern take on Komboloi or worry beads, and you can do the raindrops with the Ultras, which are super satisfying. But with the Malas, they're simple and meant to be worn or for bead counting, no tricks involved. And in between that, we even have a new Chetki design, which can be flipped or counted based on the Russian concept of the flipping rosary. Now, most importantly, I think that these toys are more than just that, in that they could be seen as tools, mindfulness tools, if you will, to help you unplug and slow things down. Perhaps reach a level of quietness that perhaps has been a bit harder to go back to because of the world is just a little too overstimulating sometimes. I think the new meta definitely is analog, low stimulation hobbies with physical things in the real world. And we can do that with Paracord or cool stuff from Around Square. And on top of all those benefits as well, the Begleri and Knucklebone especially are just great for hand health. Playing with skill toys like these are excellent just for developing and maintaining dexterity, as well as hand-eye coordination. And much like how you would carry EDC tools for utility, these can be EDC tools you carry for your mind. So stuff like this is super nice, and I know a lot of people may not be able to justify spending money on a premium product like these, but that's okay because you can make Paracord versions of almost all of these for pennies on the dollar. But that being said, if you do decide to go down this rabbit hole or further down, if you already are, I can guarantee you guys that you won't be disappointed. Also, the community that Matt has built with Around Square has been nothing short of amazing. So if you guys want to get into some great skill toys, now is the perfect time with Around Square's Black Ultem collection on Kickstarter. I'll have the links below, and if you want to make some Paracord versions of these skill toys, check these videos out.